In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Chrome. This site can't provide a secure connection. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this usually happens between your device and website security certificate. On Windows, this is often triggered by the new AI-enhanced network filtering or a system clock that has desynced. So what you want to do is Chrome checks the website security certificate against your computer's clock. If your time is even off by 2 minutes, the certificate will appear expired or invalid. So what you want to do is right click the time and date in the bottom right of your taskbar, then go ahead and select adjust date and time. And then what you want to do is where it says set the time zone automatically, you want to turn this on. Basically ensure everything is automatic. You can also press sync now right here in case anything is currently off. Sync now to give it a full reset, then restart Chrome and then try again and see if that works. And what you could also do is go over and type in internet options right here. It's going to open up internet options on your control panel. Then from here, go over to the content tab and then clear the SSL state like so. And once you do that, you restart Chrome and then that should work again. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.